In this video, we will demonstrate how to make the sample chamber. To start, gather the following materials: two 24 by 40 mm cover slips and one 18 by 18 mm round cover slip. Note that the number 1 or number 1.25 cover slips will achieve the best image quality, although number 1.5 cover slips can be used. A silicone-based glue like Loctite, as other superglues will melt in the presence of harsh organic chemicals like DBE. An applicator, such as a pipette tip or small metal spatula. Forceps. A properly cleaned chamber, as residue from glue and glass can cause leaks. To make the chamber, start with the center and then assemble the sides. First, hold the sample chamber upright and locate the grooves around the circular region. Apply a generous amount of Loctite in the grooves, then spread evenly. Using forceps, carefully pick up and place an 18 mm cover slip in the circular region. Press the cover slip gently with the back of the forceps to create a continuous seal. This removes any air bubbles that can cause leaks. Don't touch the glass with your fingers, as this can cause the glass to break or leave a fingerprint. Fingerprints are hard to remove and make it difficult for light to pass through evenly. Focusing on one side, apply Loctite in the grooves on the outside edge. Use the forceps to apply a single 24 by 40 mm cover slip into the grooves, being careful not to touch the center of the glass with your fingers. Then use the back edge of the forceps to spread the silicone evenly and remove air bubbles. Move to the other side and repeat. Once the cover slips are attached, check to ensure a continuous seal and let the chamber solidify for 45 to 60 minutes. Remember to always hold the chamber from the metal frame edges rather than the glass. Next, test for leaks before using the chamber for imaging, as even slow leaks can damage your equipment. To do so, pour some distilled water in the chamber and let it sit for at least 15 minutes on a paper towel. After confirming the chamber is leak-proof, dry it completely before introducing an imaging solution. Leftover water will cloud or cause streaks in the media, reducing image quality due to the refractive index changes. Insert the chamber on these two pins using the slots on the bottom of the chamber. Place a glass petri dish below the chamber in case a leak occurs. Some imaging media can melt plastics, so avoid using plastic dishes. Remember to check for spills and clean them immediately with ethanol and distilled water if they get on the stage or microscope. Many solutions can leave salts and sticky residues that can damage the stage and other microscope components. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Alpha3 light sheet microscope, visit olympus-lifescience.com.